Today's recipe is egg sandwich. For egg sandwich we need 3 eggs. I have boiled these eggs and they're hard boiled eggs. So we need 3 eggs. You can use more, you can use less depending on the amount of sandwiches you will be making. You need butter as required while spreading on the bread. Plus you need mayonnaise, coleslaw. I bought a ready package of coleslaw. In this you have shredded cabbage, carrots, or you can just get a small cabbage and shred it slim. Also we need salt and pepper, and I'm using multi-grain bread today for the egg sandwich. You can use any bread you want. So to begin the process, first I'll start making the coleslaw with the mayonnaise. So I'll just pour in the mayonnaise here in the coleslaw. This is about a quarter cup of mayo, and I've used 1 cup of coleslaw. And just start stirring everything well in. You can also use salad dressing. I mean, it's all your choice. Just adding a little bit of butter here as well. Oops. Okay, we are done with this. I'll add a little salt and pepper. Done with this. We keep this aside. Start slicing the boiled eggs. You just carefully slice them. Slice them this way. Be careful of your fingers. You can slice them even just directly into halves if you want bigger boiled egg pieces in the sandwiches, or you can just go a bit slim cut on the egg. Okay, now we're done with this. We move on to buttering our bread. I'll take 2 slices of bread. Start applying the butter. You can go easy on the butter too. Apply as much butter as you want. Just apply it this way. It's a simple sandwich. You can even add in cucumbers, you can add in tomatoes. There are a lot of options to a sandwich. If you want, you can also add in the green chutney. Now just spread this coleslaw over the bread slice. Spread it nicely. You can spread a thin layer, you can spread a thicker layer. I mean, it's up to you. I'll just add in the boiled eggs, spread them. Spread them nicely. You can just spread them like this. These are the ends. So and now we'll just add in a little salt and little pepper. And just close the sandwich. And this is the egg sandwich ready to serve.